everyone, welcome to the Real Miracles YouTube channel. And now it's almost 10 p.m. and I'm shooting this video because I spent my whole day just to think about to shoot this video. So now the time come. So in this video I'm going to cover something hatke. Kaise? Let me tell you that I have make a list, not a list, it's just 3 to 4, right? 3 to 4 YouTube channels which you have to watch. Seriously, if you are a person who are thinking, who are thinking to explore yourself and want to do something different and think out of the box, but still you are limited because you are living in your comfort zone, or you don't want to leave your parents, etc., whatever your reason is. And if you are feeling that kind of anxiety in your life, then this whole video is for you. So firstly, I want to tell you that please check out my Instagram profile at the Real because I'm always active on this page. So please go there, check out my profile, and if you like it, then please follow this, because I believe that sometimes one line or one word can change your life in a very different way. So it's important that you follow this Instagram page, and because every morning, whatever comes in my mind, I just posted it there. So in this video, this is going to be very small video. I'm not going to waste your much time, but still I want to tell you that if you thinking that you have no opportunity, you are just stuck in your life, don't know what you have to do, you don't have a guidance, you don't have a money, etc., whatever your reason, you passed out your +2 or graduation, and still you are worried what I am doing with my life, what the hell is doing, and something, you have something in your mind that you want to become a famous, you want to be a role model for others, but still you can't figure it out who you are, what's your passion, what's your weaknesses and strengths. Then please watch this video till the end. I'm just giving this whole 2 to 3 minutes intro so that you can hooked to this video and listen to me carefully. Please listen to me. So the number one YouTube channel, because we all are tech savvy, right? We use internet so much, so why we do not get some benefit from these? So let me start with my first YouTube channel, and its name is Gary Vee. Yes, you hear it right. Most of you know him already, and definitely there will some person who didn't even know about this person. But please follow this person. I know that when you listen it first time, you will say, "What the hell he is doing? He just using rubbish language, etc." But please listen to him on daily basis, and you see a difference. One day, I'm saying to you, one day you will definitely hit it by his lines, and you will definitely ready to put your content out, okay, on different platforms. So please follow this channel. And it's just not a sponsoring video, it's just my personal view, because no one tell me that what I have to watch, okay. And even this channel is also helpful if you have some business, small business, big business, whatever it is, right? So this channel definitely help to you, and please follow this channel. And I also admire him. I also watch his all videos, whatever comes on YouTube. So I always listen to him, and it definitely enlighten me. Okay. So the second YouTube channel which I'm going to tell you, its name is Evan Carmichael. I didn't know I pronounced it right or wrong, but yes, it's Evan Carmichael, and this is a channel where you will get to know about most famous person, most recognized person in the world, that how they achieve their goals, what struggles they face, because it's important. It's really important. We do not only have to look on the success factor, but at the same time we also look at the failure factor, because these two are are the two sides of the same coin. So it's important we never forget the failure point. And in this YouTube channel, you will get to know that how all successful person have achieved their goals. He always make a video like 10 ways of improving your public speaking, 10 ways of selling a thing by. And what he do, he just taking out some clips from the interviews of that successful people and just made a video on that. And it's a really interesting way, because we all know that we have no time to figuring out, you know, interviews of every successful person. So he can help us to understand all the things under one roof. So please follow this channel, watch 1 or 2 videos, and then subscribe this. If you don't want to subscribe, it's in your hands, but still I'm going to tell you, please watch this one time, please believe me. And now I'm going to tell you the third YouTube channel which you have to watch. Definitely you have to watch it. Its name is Kishan Chotalia. I didn't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or not, so sorry for this, but please look at this whole structure things, YouTube page, right? So you can also watch his videos. What he do, we all know that we have to read books, fine, because it is the only way we can, you know, understand ourselves and we get knowledge, right? But somehow some feel that it's very boring, right? We can't read the books oftenly. So what you can do is just follow his YouTube channel. You will find that he always prepare a summary of every book which is launched in the market and which is famous, whatever it is. So just go there and watch the videos summaries, and it's going to be 10-minute long, or sometimes it's 8 minutes long. So within 8 to 10 minutes you get all the gist of book, right? Like I am currently reading the 5 a.m. by Robin Sharma, and if you didn't want to read this book, then you can just go to his YouTube channel and just watch his video which he made on this book. So it's a summary is always to the point, it's always true, and he didn't, you know, exaggerate the things. So all the things are in correct manner without any mistake, so you can follow this channel. And now I didn't even add this YouTube channel into my list, but still I want to tell you that its name is Grant Cardone, right? Grant Cardone. I didn't know whether I'm pronouncing it right, so sorry for this, but here is the YouTube page, and you can follow him. If you know, increase your productivity, increase your sales, and you know, want to increase your business structure, whatever it is, because he always make videos on that. But Gary Vee is a little bit different from him, because he always helps you to motivate. I don't know, but personally I mostly watch Gary Vee as compared to other ones. And second, third, जो भी मैंने आपको बताया है YouTube channel, you can watch it, and it will definitely help you to improve yourself in your self development. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please support me. And if you have any question, doubt, then comment section में जाइए and just type it out. Okay, I will answer to you within 24 hours. So thanks for watching this video, and please do not forget to like this and share this video, and follow my Instagram page @TheRealMiracles. Thanks for listening to me. Thank you. And if you're listening this podcast, thanks for listening to me. Thank you.